Hello friends, myself Dr. P. Shankar Rao. I am working as an assistant keeper in Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya. Today I am going to present Gadaba tribal community of Odisha and their traditional house types, a dwelling complex in one of its major exhibition of tribal habitat. So, Gadabas are mainly inhabited in Koraput hills of southwestern extreme of Eastern Ghats, which is an undulating plateau from 1000 feet to 3000 feet above the sea level. Gadabas are distributed in several states, not only in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, even Jharkhand, but the higher concentration, particularly in Koraput hills, specifically Lamtaput, Nandapur, Sunabeda, Pottangi, Sunki. These are the higher concentration of tribal communities of Gadaba. Now their material culture concern, Gadabas are living in a small hamlets and small villages in a 2 rows and 1 or 2 houses in a wooded lands. One such exhibit we brought from Koraput and recreated in one of our open air exhibition in Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya. Now I am coming to the material culture. They have 3 types of house types. So one is, this is a round circular earthen base and conical roof made of wild grass and locally known as Chendidian. This is no more exist in many of the Gadaba villages in Koraput hills. The most striking feature of this house is, it is a very old and earliest type of house type. They have one main open door. There is no windows and other openings in this house type, and the house is very spacious and enough open space, and also encircled with a bamboo and wooden fencing. The house is decorated with the earthen materials, particularly the red ochre and the burning charcoal and lime, because the Koraput district of this region is richly deposited by the variety of minerals. So if anybody can visit and to see the Gadaba habitat and Gadaba country in the area, so the dominated by red ochre color, because the basic mineral is a red earth. The thick round wall of circular base, it is a high resistance of any fire or wind, and they have given a conical roof. It gives more height and good circulation of air in the inside. The wooden door is, normally these are all local skills and local expertise of Gadaba people. They are not hired for any other carpenters. They are mastery in multiple skills, particularly the house construction, wood, carpentry and the earthen works. They themselves, they developed this house type. And the Gadabas, mainly the Austroasiatic linguistic stock, they are polyglot speakers. They brought 2 categories, the Vallar Gadaba and Bodo Gadaba. So according to Michael, Gadabas means basically they are carrying weights on shoulders. Earlier they emigrated from the bank of Godavari. Basically they are agriculturists and supported with subsidiary occupations like simple minor forest produce collection, fishing, hunting, and vegetable raising. There is a variety of subsidiary occupations they undertake on their lands. Gadabas are very colorful and rich cultural traditions because they have fond of music, dance, and their ethnic food. So in this house there is an inside more space. They are putting their all domestic utensils, particularly agricultural households, basketry, huge basketry, big size bins. These are for storing, and also sometimes they are using multi-purpose use for grains for sun dry purpose, use flat tray like a big size bamboo made utensils, and many baskets of different sizes according to their use and purpose, because they have a good music and dance prevailing among their cultures.